Traveling has never been easier, thanks to smartphones and the power of apps. From booking flights to finding the best local food, travel apps can save you time, money, and a lot of stress. But with so many options out there, how do you know which ones to use and how to get the most out of them? Today on Afrokonnect, we'll share some smart tips for using travel apps effectively, and then count down the top 5 travel apps every traveler should have. Let's get into it. Tips for using travel apps smartly. Before we dive into the list, here are a few quick tips to make sure you're getting the best out of your travel apps. Download apps before your trip. Don't wait until you're at the airport or in a new city. Install and set up accounts ahead of time. Use offline features. Many apps like Google Maps allow offline downloads. This saves data and helps when you don't have internet. Enable notifications. Flight changes, booking updates, or currency fluctuations can be critical when traveling. Check reviews. Always read ratings and traveler feedback before relying on apps for hotels, tours, or transport. Protect your data. Use secure passwords and consider a VPN if you're accessing apps on public Wi-Fi abroad. Now that we've covered the basics, let's jump into our top 5 recommended travel apps. 5. TripIt for itinerary management. Kicking off at number 5 is TripIt. This app organizes your entire trip in one place. Just forward your booking emails, flights, hotels, car rentals, and TripIt builds a master itinerary you can check anytime. It's especially useful if you hate juggling confirmation numbers and receipts. 4. Rome to Rio for transportation planning. At number 4 we have Rome to Rio. Whether you're traveling within Europe, Africa, or Asia, this app shows you all the ways to get from point A to point B: planes, trains, buses, ferries, and even rideshares. It's perfect for comparing costs and travel times. 3. XC Currency for exchange rates. Coming in at number 3 is XC Currency. Money matters when you're traveling, and this app helps you track exchange rates in real time. It also works offline, which is handy when you're bargaining at a market or paying for transport in a new country. 2. Google Maps for navigation. At number 2, no list would be complete without Google Maps. It's the ultimate tool for directions, public transport, and even discovering nearby restaurants. Pro tip: download offline maps of your destination before you travel so you never get lost, even without internet. 1. Skyscanner for flights and deals. And at number 1, we have Skyscanner. This app helps you find the best flight deals, compare airlines, and even book hotels and car rentals. With its flexible search options like cheapest month or everywhere, it's a lifesaver for budget-conscious travelers. In conclusion, so there you have it, our tips for making the most of travel apps and the top 5 recommendations every traveler should consider. From planning with TripIt to snagging flight deals on Skyscanner, these apps make travel smoother and smarter. Which of these apps do you already use? And do you have a personal favorite we didn't mention? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who love to travel, and subscribe to Afrokonnect for more travel tips and guides. Thank you for watching this video via Afrokonnect. Please let us know what you think via the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to Afrokonnect, like and share this post before you leave.